Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Magento 2 point of sale multiple barcode. And in today's video tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add multiple barcodes and their respective quantities for a particular product and how we can do that for a particular product. And we'll be showing you the front end or the web POS, and we'll be showing you how you can add multiple products to your POS card using what we say as the barcode reader, or by entering the barcode name basically. So before we proceed further, let me give you a small overview of this particular extension. Basically, using this extension, the store owner can add multiple barcodes for a product and then assign quantities to each of the barcodes. And at the front end, the POS agent or the cashier simply needs to enter the barcode name to add the products to the cart. And for example, if the cashier wants to add more quantities of the same and for more quantities of the same product, once again the barcode name is to be entered and the required quantity of that particular product gets added to the cart. So let me go ahead and let me show you how this works. For that, I'll be taking you to the admin backend panel first, and we'll be showing you how to add multiple barcodes and their respective quantities to a particular product, and then the workflow at the front end. So here I am at the Magento 2 backend panel right now. So here I'll be logging in first. So I've logged in, and here I am at the dashboard of the Magento 2 backend panel. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be first navigating to the product section, and for that I'll tap the catalog and then products. So here we are on the products page right now. So what we need to do is we need to edit the product. So if we have already created product, we can apply multiple barcodes to that one as well, along with the respective details there. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be tapping the edit button here. So for this demonstration, I'll be using an already created product. You can also create a new product and then add the multiple barcodes with respective numbers there or quantities. So I've tapped the edit button. So now to assign what we say as the multiple barcodes to this particular product, what I'll be doing is I'll just scroll down to this section that says manage barcodes. So here we have this manage barcode section. We need to tap that up, and this brings up the section wherein we can add the barcode and its particular quantity. So you can add any number of barcodes for this particular product, and for each of the created barcodes you can add different quantity. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and I'll be entering some details here. So for example, let me set up the barcode name as bar1 and the quantity as 1, bar2 quantity as 2, bar3 and quantity as 3. Let me add one more, bar4 and quantity 4. So after we have made or we have added these barcode names and the particular quantities, what we can do is we can save this particular product. So let me save the product first. So the product has been saved. So now what I'll be doing is I'll be taking you back to the catalog section where we have all of the product listed. So let's go to catalog and then products. Let me open that up in another window. So that was how you can add multiple number of barcode names along with their particular specific quantities for a particular product, like this one that I've just added for. And now let me take you to the product section and let me show you something. And after that, I'll be showing you how we can add multiple quantities of the same product within the point of sale cart. For that, I'll be taking you to the front end as well. but let's go to the product section first. So here I'm at the product section. We have all the products listed, and here under the barcode column you can see a barcode that has been generated for each and every product. So now to see the barcode names that we have assigned, what we can do is we can tap on a barcode, and this brings up this section with the options like the product name, the quantity and its value. So from here you can also print the barcodes, but let me take you to the product that we had just used. We had used the just duffel bag. So what I'll be doing is I'll opening that one only. So here's that product. So let me tap that up. So as you can see here, the very first one that we have here is for the actual SKU. We have a different barcode, and we created like 4 different values or 4 different barcode names: bar 1, bar 2, bar 3 and bar 4, with quantities like 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you can see that it has been assigned to this particular product. Now what you can do is you can take a printout of these barcodes and you can add them up on the products as well. So now let me take you to the front end and let me show you how the cashier or the POS point of sale agent would be able to add multiple quantities of the same product into the cart with ease using this functionality. For that, let me take you to the front end now. So here I'm at the point of sale front end, and let me tap the sign in button to log into my point of sale POS front end, and now let's get ahead and let's search for the product. That's the just duffel bag. So here's the just duffel bag. So I've just tapped on it, and let me go back to the home page of my POS. Now here, as you can see on the bottom end, we have a number of tabs here, and one of them is the barcode or the SKU. Let's tap that up, and this brings up this enter SKU scan barcode option. So here the POS agent would be able to enter the barcode name so as to add that particular quantity that was assigned to that particular barcode name, or can also use this use the barcode to read the quantity of the product. So let me give you the example. Just give me a second. So as you remember, we had created the just duffel bag, and we had said the names for the barcodes as bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, and for the bar 1 we had a quantity 1, and similarly for the rest 2, 3 and 4 respectively. And now let me go back to the POS end. So now what we'll be doing is I'll type bar 1 and I'll tap done, and let's see what happens thereafter. At right now on the right hand side you can see we have 1 unit for the just duffel bag, and let me tap done. So on the right hand side now you can see it shows 2 units for the just duffel bag, and if I try to type in bar 2, it should add 2 more products, and the total quantity on the right hand side within the cart should go to 4. Let me tap the done button. Here you can see the quantity is 4 units, and similarly if I type the bar 4, that was for 4 products. After tapping the done button, the 4 units should get to 8 units, should become 8 units. So it has become 8 units now. So basically, in order to add more quantities of the same product, the POS agent again needs to tap in the barcode SKU, for example, if it's closed on the barcode SKU, and then add the barcode name to add the required number of product units into the cart. And lastly, the what we say as the POS agent can easily tap the pay button and can proceed further to complete the payment for this particular order. So tapping the place order would completely place the order there, and the POS receipt would also be generated here, and the POS user can print the invoice thereafter for the particular unit. So here we had just duffel bags 8, and we had 1 Affirm water bottle in the cart there. So that was how you'll be able to add multiple what we say as the barcode for a single product, and assign quantities to each of those barcodes there. And thereafter, at the front end, the POS agent can simply need to enter the barcode name to add the required quantity of the product into the cart. So that was much about this particular Magento 2 POS multiple barcode add-on. So hope it helped you out, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this extension, then you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.ubdesk.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day ahead.